If you want to clear your browsing history on Google Chrome, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps on both Windows and Mac. This is useful if you want to remove your recent browsing activity, clean up your browser, or protect your privacy on a shared device. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu on Windows, or Launchpad and applications on Mac. Once Chrome is open, you're ready for the shortcut that makes this process much faster. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This keyboard shortcut opens the clear browsing data window right away, so you do not have to dig through the Chrome settings manually. When the clear browsing data window appears, you'll see a few options. The first thing to do is choose a time range. Chrome gives you several choices like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If you only want to remove recent activity, choose a shorter time range. If you want to wipe everything out, choose all time. Next, make sure the box next to browsing history is checked. This is the key option that removes the websites you visited from your Chrome history. Depending on your preferences, you may also see options for cookies, cached images, and other browsing data, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on browsing history specifically. Once you've selected the time range and confirmed that browsing history is checked, click Delete Data. Chrome will now clear your browsing history based on the range you selected. If you chose all time, it will remove all stored browsing history from Chrome on that device. After that, your browsing history will be cleared and you can continue using Chrome with a cleaner, more private browser session. If you ever need to do this again, just remember the shortcut. Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. It's one of the fastest ways to manage your browser privacy. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.